Hello and welcome to Utalic. Great to see you. Utalic doesn't just provide the visual workflow editor for programming your app logic. It also includes a powerful code editor. You can use the code editor to program the things that should happen under the hood of your app. Utalic uses JavaScript as its programming language. You can use Utalic to program anything the programming language gives you, and you don't have to limit yourself to features Utalic gives you. From the visual designer, you can get to the code editor by double-clicking on the events in the corresponding field. For example, if you want to define the action that happens when you click a button, select the button in the visual designer. Click Events in the Object Inspector, and then double-click the OnClick event. Here you will end up in the code editor where you can write your code. Everything in Utalic is designed to be object-oriented and will automatically create a class for your scene that inherits the properties of the user interface class. This in turn inherits the properties of the app scene. To change the caption of the button you clicked on, you can simply enter the following text. This button 1 caption equals Hello World. With a click on the Run button, you can test your app. In addition to the usual editing functions, the code editor has the option to open a split view. Click on the split icon at the top to open a second editor. If you have larger files open, you can, for example, work in the left editor quite far down and in the right editor at the top in the same file. The main advantage of this is that you can look up what you named certain variables or objects while programming. Sometimes you want to apply the same editing actions to several places in the code at the same time. Utalic offers the multi-cursor function for this. To do this, place your cursor at a location where you want to perform the edit. Then press and hold the Control or Command key. Then click on the second position where you want to edit the text. Now 2 blinking cursors appear, and all inputs you make affect both places in the code. Use the Escape key to exit the multi-cursor mode.